Representatives from the Assamese Muslim community today sent out a clear message that they would like to be first regarded as an Assamese rather than identified only as a religious minority group, stating that they are an integral part of the Assamese society. The response came during a meeting convened by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma with representatives of the Assamese Muslim community, the first such initiative by any Chief Minister or government in Assam. Significantly, the Chief Minister in his opening remark endorsed and said that the Assamese Muslims have an independent identity of their own and the challenge now was to preserve this distinct identity. Sharma added that the time has come for the Assamese Muslims to emerge from a state of uncertainty and move ahead as an integral part of the society. Meanwhile, during the meeting, representatives of the Assamese Muslim community made several demands, including setting up of a legislative council or upper house with reservation for the community, and urged the government to also consider nominating members of the community to the State Legislative Assembly in accordance with Article 333 of the Indian Constitution, under which the governor can nominate members of unrepresented communities in line with the nomination of the Anglo-Indian community in West Bengal to the State Assembly. Significantly, all among those who spoke during the crucial meet endorsed the Assam government's two-child policy, saying that population control was important for the progress and development of the state. Well, let's first listen into some of those who took part in this historical meet.
All important meeting. What were the issues taken up and what are the things to be expected from this meeting, sir?
Well, this meeting, the Chief Minister began the meeting by saying that the Assamese Muslims have their separate identity in Assam, and he said the challenge now is to how to preserve this identity. In fact, this statement by the Chief Minister set the tone of the meeting. The one message which has come out loud and clear in this meeting, where representatives of the Assamese Muslim community have come from all over the state, is that we are first Assamese and only then the religion comes into the picture. So the fact that the Assamese Muslim representatives or community leaders and professional civil society leaders who attended the meeting, they said that they urged the government to recognize them first as Assamese and only then their different identities. And secondly, there were issues. One of the issues which I raised was that there is no political representation of the Assamese Muslim community because the demography does not support or does not facilitate one of the Assamese Muslim candidates to win an election on the basis of demography. Therefore, we suggested that the government can consider setting up a legislative council or an upper house with seats reserved for the Assamese Muslim community. And secondly, I also suggested that in accordance with Article 333, a governor can nominate member of any community who he or she feels does not have a representation in the State Assembly, because it is in accordance with Article 333 that in West Bengal, the governor is nominating member of the Anglo-Indian community. So these are some of the suggestions. At the end of the day, after the meeting, the Chief Minister announced that he's going to set up 7 to 8 subgroups where there will be chairmen and members from the community. There will be officials as member secretaries, and within 3 months, these committees in the field of health, education, women empowerment, cultural identity, skill development, and so on, within 3 months, they're going to submit their report to the government. And after that, the government will sit down, take into consideration these reports, and prepare a roadmap for the development of the Assamese Muslim community in the next 5 years.
तो क्या कहेंगे इस बैठक में क्या कुछ चर्चा हुई? ये पर्टिकुलरली ये डिस्कशन हुआ रिगार्डिंग द सोशियो इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन ऑफ द इंडिजिनस मुस्लिम, ये या इंडिजिनस में इसको बोलते हैं हम खिलंजिया मुस्लिम, इसके बारे में डिस्कस हुआ है. इसका ये क्या रिगार्डिंग हेल्थ, एजुकेशन एंड इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन एंड अबाउट द पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ ऑल्सो ये डिस्कस हुआ है. और people coming from all over Assam, they assured the government they वो population control के साथ है, and they request the government to do something for the development of the indigenous Muslim population because they are left वो लोग के लिए जो सुविधा होता है वो पर्टिकुलरली इमैजिन मुस्लिम के लिए जो आता है, लेकिन इंडिजिनस मुस्लिम के लिए कुछ भी नहीं आता है. इसलिए गवर्नमेंट के हम ये प्रस्ताव दिया है, यू डू समथिंग फॉर द इंडिजिनस मुस्लिम ऑल्सो, अदरवाइज दे विल रिमेन बैकवर्ड. और गवर्नमेंट ने वही हमको एश्योर किया है कि वो लोग there few committees will be there, and according to the decision of the committee, government will act upon.
Very successful meeting. We have proposed our problem. We have submitted our problem before Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and he agreed. We are microscopic minorities because we are indigenous Muslim. So our problem, we have submitted our problem before him, and he heartily accepted our problem. I think within a short period, something is happened for our people.
So, did the issue of population control come up during today's meeting?
His proposal regarding the population control, we have accept his proposal. We are heartily accept. Gradually, I think government will Assam and Honorable Chief Minister do something for during the population study.
Today's meeting, sir, what were the important points that were discussed, and what steps can we expect to be taken?
So, see, this is a great initiative by the Chief Minister of Assam when he met a group of about 150 indigenous Muslims of Assam. So the things that were discussed today was primarily the community wants a census as to what could be the number of indigenous Muslims or Assamese-speaking Muslims in Assam. So that is one thing. And everybody wanted that we should not be treated as religious minorities. We should be treated as Assamese. So that is the mood thing that has come out of this meeting. And the Chief Minister on his part has announced that there will be 7 to 8 subgroups. Subgroups like on, say, in heads like health, education, skill development, financial inclusion, cultural identity, women empowerment. So these are some of the areas where there will be subgroups where community members will be the chairperson, there will be government officials will be member secretaries. So these groups will give their recommendation within 3 months, and after the recommendations are received, the government will prepare a roadmap for the next 5 years as to how they are going to resolve some of the demands or aspirations of the Assamese-speaking Muslim. So I would say this is a great leap forward, the first time ever that any government in Assam has held a kind of a dialogue or an interaction with the Assamese-speaking indigenous Muslims. So this is a very good step forward, and we welcome the Chief Minister for this great initiative.
And meanwhile, addressing the media after the over 2-hour-long meeting, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma informed that 8 subgroups will be constituted on education, health, population control, cultural identity, financial inclusion, women empowerment and skill development respectively, to prepare a roadmap for the next 5 years for the welfare of the community.
However, in order to achieve that, it has been emphasized that 8 subgroups should be constituted. 1 subgroup will work on health, 1 subgroup will work on education, 1 subgroup will work on population stabilization, 1 subgroup will work on cultural identity, 1 subgroup will work on financial inclusion, 1 subgroup will work on women empowerment, 1 subgroup will work on the skill development. So entire range of issues will be discussed in the subgroup, and after 3 months we will be here again to prepare a roadmap for next 5 years.
Well, Sharma also added that the leaders present in the meet have endorsed the state government's view on a population explosion.
The meeting has emphasized that the uniqueness of indigenous Assamese Muslims should be protected and should be preserved. However, in the broader landscape, it has been agreed that the population explosion in some part of Assam has posed a real threat for the development of Assam, more particularly in the economic sense, and if at all we have to become among the 5 states of the country, then we have to manage our population explosion. So that has been agreed today.
Well, Sharma further informed that a series of meetings will be held on population management, with the next meeting being with the Muslim community of East Bengal origin.
We are going to conduct series of meetings on the population management. So next meeting we are going to hold with the migrant Muslim community. So this will be a series of meeting in the next 2 to 3 months.
And Chief Minister Sharma also informed that meetings will also be held with the Muslim political leaders and student body chiefs in the subsequent weeks.
আজিৰ সভাত আমি ৰাজনৈতিক দলৰ ব্যক্তিসকলক আমন্ত্ৰণ কৰা নাই, কিন্তু অসমৰ বিধায়কসকলক বা ৰাজনৈতিক দলৰ কৰ্মকৰ্তাসকলক আৰু বিশেষকৈ সংখ্যালঘু সমাজক প্ৰতিনিধিত্ব কৰা ছাত্ৰ সংগঠন, সামাজিক সংগঠন আদিৰ লগতো পৰৱৰ্তী পৰ্যায়ত আমি সভাত বহিম।